Enter ES.
Stop filled.
All right, all right. It's your boy PFS Tib with Deep South Trading LLC. Woo! All right, let's see what kind of trades we get this morning. So I got funded with Take Profit. I got the account all set up and ready to go. Had a little some data issues this morning. My goal is 300 a day. I hit 300.
ES reversing.
Traded a few more contracts than I normally do. So
Enter ES.
after commissions were taken out, it was 265. So here we go. I'll probably start trying to
ES reversing.
stream some of my live trading with Take Profit, but we'll see. Had a good little short here. All right, let's take a look at some micros. Might trade my live account this morning. All right, my nut is going to be $40 on MES per day. Setting up the Nutcracker for that. They had a little issue with the Nutcracker. I think we got it fixed though. They put out a new version. I got it loaded, so we'll see.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, I might be a little late to the party, but I'm gonna see what we can get out of here. Alright, let's get them emails out the way. We ain't got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. We're at the top of the regression channel, so if we don't break above here, I'm gonna bail on this trade here shortly. And look for another entry. Wait for a pullback.
Entry S.
Order filled. Order filled.
There we go. Get out of that. I need to find out how to get them alerts off of there. I'm also looking at a 10 range chart for my entries. If we break above that bar, I'll get back in it. Gonna break above 40, I believe. 40 and a quarter. Yeah, we're just going sideways right now. I'd like to see us drop from this area.
Entry S.
200. We got the VWAP. I'll take a signal short here for sure.
ES reversing.
Entry S.
Enter the ES, it says.
Entry S.
Gonna enter or what? Yeah, we're gonna go long probably, huh? You gonna pop this time, baby?
ES reversing.
Order filled.
Oh, shoot, I missed it. Alright, gummit. Buyers trying to come in there and push it on up. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's get up here. Whee! sellers are coming back in there. Come on. What y'all gonna do?
Enter ES.
Gonna enter ES, it says.
Enter ES.
ES reversing.
Enter ES.
ES reversing.
Let's see if this is a true reversal or if it's just a pullback. So this long entry, this was actually a sloppy trade because I should be
Stop
waiting
order
for
filled.
green background. You know, now if it gets a dot, I'll go short here. If we go below the 200, you know, because it is a good sign of a reversal.
Order filled.
But this long entry was sloppy. I shouldn't have traded that just because of the break of this board. That's not following my rules. I would prefer to have the dot. It's not giving me the dot, so I'm going to go ahead and take this trade here. And I'm going to probably not let a trade come against me like I did here. So, see where I'm at. Make sure I'm following my rules. Alright, I'm close to my stop limit for the day, so I have to be careful here in the next few trades. Alright, I got the dot. If we break below this level, I'll probably add another 2 contracts on there. And if I get this second magenta bar, I'll add another 2 if we break the low here. That bad boy's fighting.
Order filled.
Come on, baby. Let's roll. Alright, this area is going to be hard to break. Let's see what happens. What's interesting is it didn't throw my other 2 stops in there for some reason. I don't like that. Not sure why that happened. If we get back to break even, I will get out of it because it doesn't have my stop for those other 2 contracts. I don't like trading without a stop. So.
Stop order
filled.
canceled. Order filled.
Not sure why my stop didn't go on that sec when I added those other two. Regardless, alright. I'm down $34 for the day. So I'll wait for another setup. Target is here. This area. See if we got any levels down there. All right.
Enter ES.
All right, we got a tweezer. So I see that. I'll probably get out of this. I would have got out of this trade. If we break below that tweezer pattern, then I'd short it again, maybe. Triple bottom. What's it gonna do? All right, so I do have a level at 3150. So, yeah, that's what we're bouncing off of.
Enter ES.
All right, let's see if we break that level at 3150. And then we've got another level at 29. And then, like I said, we'd be looking for that previous low here. ADX is turning green, which is usually good.
Enter ES.
You know, possibly be going, but it's this level right here that I'm worried about. See if we reject it. get to focus on options like I wanted to today. I got a little tied up
Enter ES.
with my data this morning. Let's see. Alright, there we go. So it would have been a good short here. Another one here. Gotta watch out for this VWAP. We don't have much width between here. Between SD1 and VWAP. Got about $1.06 in between there.
ES reversing.
Looks like that level's gonna hold for a little bit anyway. We'll see. So if we come up, the next level I'm looking at is 49 up here. So if we don't come back up and reach this level, just like we did here, we came up, we didn't go all the way, so I would expect price to come to this level. It's a rotational. So get rid of this. This is nothing. So if we bounce off of this, I expect price to go to this 49 area. If not, then we'll rotate back down to this level.
ES reversing.
Enter ES.
So looking at this 54 area, 55-ish, whatever. All right.
Enter ES.
So we got a long signal with the dot. If we have a failure, I'm thinking we
Enter
can come
ES.
down.
Order filled.
610 chart gave a good signal.
Enter ES.
ES
I'm gonna
reversing.
break this low right here. I'm not gonna give this trade any room.
Target filled. Order filled. Stop order filled.
That's fine.
Enter ES. Enter ES. Enter ES.
All right, that's the 610 chart firing off. See, we came right back into this level and boom, bounced off.
ES reversing.
It's just kind of sideways too. I didn't notice that. It's one good thing about going live afterwards. You can start realizing things. So we got this long may work out after all. So, but we got all this crap right here. That's not good either. So. One thing we do have though. Oh, because I'm looking at ES on that one. My bad. Looking at my levels on ES instead of MES. That's funny. Hello. No wonder it's not lining up. Alright, here we go. So that level is at 3175. Okay, this makes more sense now. And 29 and 48.75. So there we go. All right, I should have got in this long. I really like this Not sure why we pulled back quite a bit though, but that's okay. If we break above this high, if we can break this 200, I'll get in it. I just don't like it because we can't break the 200 for some reason. My regression channel is finally starting to pull up a little bit. We've been flat for a while. A little down. Now we're starting to angle up.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'd like to see this bar close above the 200. Not letting it come against me. If it stops me out, I'll re-enter.
Stop filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
I don't know why, but I just wish we'd move up a little bit. You know, I like the momentum in these bars here, but I missed my entry. I guess I'm really chasing. Maybe this is not a good thing to do, so. But I will have to give it some room if I'm going to let it breathe. Let me see what a 10 range low is. There we go. So I got my profit target for set for $40 on my
Target order filled.
So what it did, since it took my one contract out, it moved my profit target here, which I had a line earlier. I'm not going to let it retrace 50%.
Stop order filled.
Okay. All right, I'm down about 588 for the day. All right, I'm gonna call it a day right here. So tomorrow's a new day. Like I said, data feed and stuff got a little messed up. So got some letters late last night saying that I passed take profit, and then this morning, real early, I think it was around 5:30 my time, they said that they had everything set up and we was good to go. Let me see if I can pull that up in my Discord room. So
Enter ES. Enter ES.
So here we go. Well, all right. So last night I got this. Says we can take up to 24 hours. Da 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 da. And then this morning it said congratulations on reaching
ES
your
reversing.
target.
ES reversing.
So I put a little screenshot that I had a pro tab showing my pro account and so forth. And then it says, congratulations, you have been signed and identified. So I did my contract, filled it out, and I got everything ready up. It went really smooth. So, you know, I've been funded with, I think, 1UP, Apex, and Lilu before also. Don't quote me on the 1UP. I know Lilu and Apex. I mean, those usually get you same day. Take Profit said, give us 24 hours. We'll get you going. And that's what they did. I'm okay with that. So I was just waiting to get the email back saying that they approved all my trades and that I was approved for a pro account was, you know, I had to wait because I actually took my trades at 7 something that morning and I didn't hear from them until, you know, 12 hours later. But that's okay. I'm excited. You know, the suspense was good. I hadn't been excited about getting an email for a while, so that worked out. It was all good. But very smooth. They also refunded my fee for the tryout, and they also paid my pro account fees because they said if you qualified by November the 4th, that they would do that. They held up to their word. I highly recommend, well, let me rephrase that. I mean, so far so good. Let's see how the payouts go. But other people I've talked to haven't had any trouble getting paid, so we'll see how it goes. All right, guys, I'll probably be back on tomorrow morning. Y'all have a great one. Booyah! This is PFS Tib with Deep South Trading. Another great
Enter
day.
ES.
I've got that evaluation spreadsheet I'm using. Oh, let me say this. I got an evaluation spreadsheet I'm using to keep track of my profit. And like I said, once again, I'm shooting for $300 a day.
Enter
I'm gonna do
ES.
that. Once I get me a cushion built up, I'll be going for $500 a day. All right, later.